Welcome back to my channel. Come on, job seekers. Are you watching my video for the first time? Then please go for subscription and press the bell icon. Then only you will receive latest job notifications. Not only job notifications, job related every notifications you will receive. So stay tuned with my channel for the latest job news. Now let's go through the today's job notification. APCPL Aravalli Power Company Private Limited invites application for the engineer executive trainee post. There are total 25 vacancies for electrical branch. Total 8 vacancies are there. For mechanical 12 vacancy, and that for instrumentation 5 vacancies. Now let's have a look through the qualifications. For electrical post, you should have full-time degree in electrical or electrical and electronics or electrical, instrumentation and control, or power system and high voltage, or power electronics or power engineering. These are the qualifications you should possess in order to apply for the post electrical engineering executive trainee post. And for mechanical engineering, qualification is full-time degree in mechanical or production or industrial engineering or production and industrial engineering or thermal or mechanical and automation or power engineering. And that for instrumentation engineering, qualification should be full-time degree in electronics and instrumentation or instrumentation and control or electronics instrumentation and control. Here your upper age limit should be 27 years as on the last date of online application in APCPL, that is 1 June 2020. And here the selection process, it is entirely based upon your GATE score. And GATE 2020, my dear friends, please note down that GATE 2020 score is valid for this application. You couldn't even for GATE, if you have a valid GATE score, GATE 2018 or 2017, even in 2020 is not valid in order to apply for this post. So based on your GATE score, they will make a merit list, and those shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. And before interview, there will be a GD group discussion. So the final merit list entirely depends upon 85% weightage of GATE score, only 5% weightage for GD marks, and 10% of weightage for your interview. So well prepare for your interview those who have a valid GATE score, GATE 2019. For electrical engineering post, the corresponding GATE 2019 paper code should be EE. And for mechanical engineering post, corresponding paper code, GATE paper code should be ME. And for instrumentation post, the corresponding paper code should be IN. Okay. I know you all are eagerly waiting for the salary package. If you get selected, you will placed in the pay scale of rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000 at the basic pay of 40,000 during 1 year training period. And there are lot of allowance are also provided by this company. Here the online registration for this post will start from 4th June, and the last date for the online registration in the website should be in 3rd July. Okay, 3rd July. Note down, please note down these dates. Now let's go through the application procedures, and you can visit the website www.apcpl.co.in. I will provide the link in my description box. You can go through that. Okay, and for the candidate belongs to OBC general category, has to pay a non-refundable fee of rupees 150, and for SC ST and or PWD category, there is no registration fees. And you can make the payment either through the offline mode or online mode, as you like. If you prefer payment in offline mode, then only the Punjab National Park has been authorized to collect the registration fee. So you have to approach the nearby PNB branch with a printout of chellan, and that chellan is available on the application register portal. And my dear friends, please note one thing, that the chellan which is available from the portal can only be used for the payment. Therefore please note that any other chellan is not suitable for this payment process. If you prefer payment in online mode, it is quite easy as usual. You can make the payment through net banking or debit card or credit card, and online payment option will be available on the application portal. You can go through that. Like other application, you are required to upload your photograph and signature in the prescribed format, in that is in JPG or JPEG format, with size 50 KB and 30 KB. For photograph 50 KB and for signature 30 KB. And you also have to upload your GATE 2019 score in the PDF format, and its maximum size should be 1 MB. And as usual, you have to read all the instructions carefully, and you have to fill the online application by giving your accurate details about your personal details, educational qualifications, email ID, phone numbers, everything. You have to fill it up in very accurate, without any without making any mistakes. You have to fill it up, and after the registrations, it will generate a unique registration number, and you have to require to log in with that unique registration number for making the fee payment. And finally, you have to take the printout of the registration slip, and you want to keep it with yourself for the future use, because once you got selected in this selected in the interview, then you will call. At that time you want to present this registration slip also. Therefore, take a printout and keep it with yourself. And you should ensure that your GATE registration number, which is mentioned on your GATE scorecard, it should be filled up very correctly. Don't go for any mistake. So that's all about today's video. If you like my video, please like it, share and subscribe.